Hi students, today this topic exercise 4.2. First question, using law of exponents simplify and write exponential form. First one A, 3 power 7 into 3 power 8 into 3 power 4. B, 6 power 15 divided 6 power 10. C, 4 power 8 into 3 power 8. D, a power 6 into b power 6. E, cube power 7 whole power 8. F, 3 square whole power 7 divide 3 power 4. Now find out the answer. First one, 3 power 7 into 3 power 8 into 3 power 4. Now base is samely having 3, 3, 3. So okay, 3 powers only you add it. 7 plus 8 plus 4. 7 plus 8 plus 4. Powers only you add it. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. So 3 power 19. Second one, 6 power 15 divide 6 power 10. This one how to write? 6 power 15 divide 6 power 10. Here down away, you take and come half. 6 power 15 into 6 power minus 10. Now base is same way having. So 6 power 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10, 6 power 5. So that is answer. Next one, C. 4 power 8 into 3 power 8. 4 power 8 into 3 power 8. Here base is different. Power is same way having. So 4 into 3 whole power 8. Power is samely having. Base different. Here 4, here 3. So 4 into 3 whole power 8. 4 3s are 12. So 12 power 8. Next one, a power 6 into b power 6. A power 6 into b power 6. Here also power is same, base is different. So a into b whole power 6. Next one, E. Cube power 7 whole power 8. Cube power 7 whole power 8. So cube power 7 into 8. Cube power 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. So cube power 56. Last one, F. 3 square whole power 7 divide 3 power 4. 3 power 2 into 7. Here 3 square whole power 7 only. So 3 power 2 into 7 divide 3 power 4. 3 power 2 into 7, 14. So 3 power 14 divide 3 power 4. How to write this one? 3 power 14 divide 3 power 4. Now this one take and come off. 3 power 14 into 3 power minus 4. Now base is same we are having. This one different. So 3 power 14 minus 4 equal to 3 power 10. 14 minus 4, 10. So this like you find out the answer. Next one, second question. Simplify and express in the exponential form. First one, 3 square whole power 2 into 2 square whole power 2. B question, 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 4 divide 3 into 32. C, 25 power 4 divide 5 power 3. D 5 power 0 plus 20 power 0 into 200 power 0 divide 172 power 0 plus 990 power 0. E 8 power 0 plus 9 power 0 plus 10 power 0. F question 3 power 0 minus 2 power 0 into 6 power 0. Now find out the answer. First one A 3 square whole power 2 into 2 square whole power 2. So this one, how to find out? 3 power 2 into 2, how much? 3 power 4 into 2 power 2 into 2, 4. So 2 power 4. 3 power 4 into 2 power 4. Base is different, power is same. So 3 into 2 power 4. 3 2s are 6. 6 power 4. Next one, B question. 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 4 divide 3 into 32. This one, right? 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 4. How to write? 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. Next one, 3 into 32 having. How to write in powers of 2? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. So 32, so you write it this side. Next, 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into here 1 2. So 2 power 2 divide 3 into here 1 2 3 4 5. 2 power 5. Now divide having. That one taken come half. 2 power 3 into 3 power 4 into 2 power 2. This one taken come 3 power minus 1 into 2 power minus 5. Next one, 2 power 3 into this one 2. 2 power minus 5. This one half coming. Into here 2 power 2 having. Next 3 power 4 into 3 power minus 1. 2 one side, 3 one side. Now 2 power 3 minus 5 plus 2 into 3 power 4 minus 1. 2 power 3 plus 2. How much 3 plus 2? 5. 5 here minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. So 2 power 0 only having. 3 power 4 minus 1. 3 power 3. 2 power 0 value 1 into 3 power 3. So answer is 3 power 3 only. Next one, C question. Twenty-five power 4 divide 5 power 3 equal to 25. How to write? 5 into 5 power 4 divide 5 power 3. This one 2 times, so 2 power 1 2. 5 power 2 into power 4 divide 5 power 3. 5 power here 2 here 4. 2 4s are 8. So 5 power 8 divide 5 power 3. This one taken come half. 5 power 8 into 5 power minus 3. This one 5 power 8 minus 3 equal to 5 power 5. Next one, D. 5 power 0 20 power 0 into 200 power 0 divide 172 power 0 plus 990 power 0. See here, this one 5 power 0 value 1 plus 20 power 0 1 into 200 power 0 1 divide 172 power 0 1 plus 990 power 0 1. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 into 1 divide 1 plus 1 2. 2 into 1 2 divide 2 equal to 1. So 2 by 2 coming, 2 divide here 1 coming. Next E question. 8 power 0 plus 10 power 0 plus 9 power 0. This one, anything power 0 means answer 1 only. So 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Next F question. 3 power 0 minus 2 power 0 into 6 power 0. 3 power 0 value 1 minus 2 power 0 value 1 into 6 power 0 value 1. 1 minus 1 0 into 1. 0 into 1 0. So this way you find out the answer. Next question, say true or false and justify your answer. A question, 5 power 0 equal to 99,999 power 0. This one here equal of it. So 5 power 0 value 1 equal to 99,999 power 0 value also 1. So 1 equal to 1. This one equal. So this is true. Second one, 2 power 3 greater than 5 power 2. 2 power 3 value 2 into 2 into 2 greater than here 5 square 5 into 5 2 into 2 4 4 into 2 8 8 greater than 5 into 5 25. This one the greatest number, this one smallest number. So this one false. This one 9 square whole power 3 equal to 9 power 5. This one 9 power 2 into 3 equal to 9 power 5. 9 power 2 into 3 6. So 9 power 6 equal to 9 power 5. Here 6 having, here 5 having. So this one false. Next one 2 power 3 into 3 power 2 equal to 6 power 5. Here 2, here 3. 2 into 3 power 3 into 2 equal to 6 power 5. 2 3s are 6. 3 2 is 6. So 6 power 6 equal to here 6 power 5. Here 6 power 6 equal to 6 power 5. This is equal, not equal. So this one false. This one 4 power 5 equal to 20. 4 power 5. How to write? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 equal to here 20 having. This one multiply 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 into 4 equal to 20. 16 into 16. Here multiply 16 into 16. 6 6 are 36. Remainder 3. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3 9. Next one 6 1. 6, 5, 2. So 256 into 4 equal to 20. Now multiply into 4. 4 6 are 24. Remainder 2. 4 5 are 20. 20 plus 2 22. Remainder 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. So 1024 equal to 20. This one equal, not equal. So this one for false. Next one. 10 into 10 power 15 equal to 100 power 8. This one true or false? 10 into 10 power 15 equal to 100. How to write? 10 into 10 power 8. So 100, 10 into 10 by 8. 10 power, here 1 having a 15. So 1 plus 15. So your base is same. Here 10 power 8 into 10 power 8. 10 into 10 whole power 8. So 10 power 8, 10 power 8. 10 power 1 plus 15, 16 equal to 10 power 8 plus 8. 10 power 16 equal to 8 plus 8, 10 power 16. So this is true. So first one true, second one false, next one false, another one false, next one false, last one true. So this way find out the answer.